Welcome to my channel, Detailed Forex, where I discuss very crucial Forex matters as it relates to every Forex trader. Today, I am to discuss of a strategy that guarantees consistent profits. In other words, we want to talk of the holy grail of trading Forex. Why will you listen to me? Yes, for the last 15 years, I have been trading consistently. I have lost so much money and I have gained so much money. It has been up and down. And something important that I learned over through these years is what you're about to hear from me. It will shock you to know that there is no bullet strategy or magic bullet strategy that guarantees consistent or 100% win in the Forex market. Remember, this market is so dynamic, it's evolving, it is linked to human activities. So, how do you think there is something that must guarantee that your prediction must lead to winning? Yes, back in the years 2007, precisely when I started this Forex journey, all my aim was to get a magic button, to get a strategy that will guarantee money into my purse every day. Is that real? Did I succeed? No, I didn't. But what I understand is that there are a set of principles you must follow, or trading principles that guarantees high success rates. Please take note. I have never developed, neither have I seen an EA, that's expert advisor, or a robot or a bot that trades 100% success consistently. There is none. But there are principles or setting of realistic trading goals that will guarantee high level of success in your trading. So I'm going to discuss to you, I'm going to reveal to you how to build or building a strategy that will guarantee high level of winning in your trading. There are three things I deducted, and it was when I came up with these three things that I was able to grow my account to a reasonable stage. Firstly, you must know yourself as a trader. What did you come for? This is a battle. Let me be honest with you. Forex trading is a battle. Do you know? Between you and who? Between you and the money bags, between you and the brokers, between you and the central banks of the Nigeria, of central banks of the world. Let me tell you, you are deciding to come to trade Forex with the intention of making money off the market. Then I'm telling you that the market is prepared to make money off you. So it's not a joke. Those monies you want to make, people own them. And you don't think there will be something so automatic or magic that you will set to come and be making money from it. No, you must be dynamic. You must be prepared. You must have your daily targets. You must know what kind of trader you want to be. Is it a short-term trader, a high-risk trader, a long-term trader, or a conservative trader, or a scalping or swing trading trader? You must understand your personality. That is why you need to learn how to trade via the demo of virtual money, which will tell you the kind of temperament you have towards the market. Then, Forex trading is never a passive income. It's never for a form of making a passive income. It is an active money making. That means it takes your time. You will dedicate yourself to the trade. You must know what is your time frame of making money off the market. What is your financial goal as a forex trader? This is the first thing you will do. You start considering when trying to build a strategy that will give you high success rates. That is a skill you must know of yourself. You must validate yourself. My advice is that never make forex your primary source of income as a beginner or even as an intermediate trader. You must have other things. You must have other forms, other ways of getting money to augment your trading. That's my candid advice. The second thing you have to do in developing a strategy that gives you persistent money or high level of success is developing a trading skill. It is a skill. What are the major skills you need to develop? You need to develop fundamental skills, fundamental analysis of the market. What are the fundamental analysis of the market? Talking of the economic policies, economic situations of the currency pairs you want to trade. We are still talking of geographical uh, nature, that's natural occurrences of the area you are trading the pair. What I mean is, if you are trading Euro USD, you must know the economic situation, the indices, the CPI, the unemployment rate in the Euro, in the US. You will think, what is the peace level? That is the political stability. These things are the fundamentals. The export rates, the import rates. That is the strength. This thing tells you the strength of the pair you want to trade. Then from there, the next step you go is technical analysis. Now, what is the technical analysis? This is the charts, your ability to read the charts, understand the chart patterns, the candlestick patterns. These are things, in fact, as a trader, I don't trade any indicator. I trade plain charts. I understand the language the chart speaks. Until you understand the language it speaks, you cannot be a good trader. So the charts is reading your ability to read the chart. That's technical analysis. Let me tell you, the fundamental analysis are easy to understand. And some fundamental analysis takes a whole long time before it changes. It may take 5, 10 years before a fundamental analysis of a currency pair or economic of a particular country changes. So most of your trade or the sources of your trade will be lies on your ability to understand the charts after learning the fundamental and technical analysis. If you're a beginner or if you're listening to me for the first time, you've not done what I'm saying, go and practice them in the demo. Practice those things in the demo. Then the third thing, demo is the virtual money, which is not real money, but try to be emotionally attached to that money. Don't say it is not real money, let me do anyhow. No, your attitude towards the demo money or funds will be your attitude towards your real money. So practice with all sense of responsibility. Now, the third thing is discipline and risk management. Most people fail. Let me tell you why most forex strategies fail. Most strategies you have in the market or you can create, they work. But who fails? You that owns the strategy, or you that sees the strategy, or you that formulate the strategy, usually fail because you don't get disciplined. You don't stick to the rule. If the strategy means trading once in a month, but that once in a month you will win, that is a sure win for you. It is a sure strategy. I will tell you how I trade my own strategy. So if you trade with stop loss, you know at what point my rule is okay, I cannot exceed 20 pips loss. I cannot take more than 20 pips loss. Do you play the rule? This is my entry point. This is my exit point. In fact, the most crucial part of forex trading is sticking to your plan. Sticking to what? To your plan. After all, strategy is a plan. Is a game plan, isn't it? That's strategy. So after the whole plan, the problem is, can you stick to it? Do you pay attention to it? As I'm saying, as I've said, there is no bulletproof forex trading strategy. None. Over years, I've traded for more than 15 years. None. But there are core principles, winning principles for you once you can stick to your plan. So instead of searching for a strategy that will give you money always, which is not real, start thinking of developing your own strategy. And developing that strategy comes from practice, practice with virtual money. As I promised, please subscribe to my channel, be part of my channel, share. If there's any forex issue you want to discuss, put it in the comment section. We will deliberate on it. I am a professional trader. I understand the market very well. I read the charts. I know where the market may possibly go without much stress. It took so many years to develop it, and that is why I'm suggesting to you. Let me give you my own trading strategy. Are you ready? I only trade one pair at a time. In fact, most times I trade only one pair. That is Euro USD. So if you see my chart from my broker, only the window that is open is Euro USD. Now I analyze the market. In fact, I know technical analysis, we have a lot of candlestick patterns, chart patterns. I only trade 2 or 3 patterns. Whenever those patterns form, that is when you see me trade. Most times I trade one direction. That is, if the market is selling, then I'm looking for retracement to sell. I don't buy and sell. No. If the market has reversed to buy, when it is confirmed that the momentum is towards long, I will start looking for position to buy. I make only 1% of my money in each trade, though sometimes more than. But once I'm 1% into the trade positively, I'm off the market. Having done that, once I hit my profit, I'm off the market. I don't look for opportunity same day again. That is my trading pattern. That is my winning strategy. So most times in a month, I may trade only 3 or 4 times. And 3 or 4 times, even if I make $500 or $200, by the exchange rate in my country, is very big money. I'm okay by it. The last but not the least, I don't leave my money in the broker's account. No. What I do is once I see opportunity, I fund the account, trade it, make the profit, and withdraw my money. Remember, I said, don't make Forex your primary source of income, especially if you are a beginner or intermediate Forex trader. So that is what I do. With this, I hope now you've gotten an idea how to form a strategy. And then let me tell you, strategy is peculiar to who owns it. If you go online, you see a lot of strategies, a lot of strategies. Those strategies, the psychology of the trader is built into it. The the emotions of the trader is built into it. Everything about the financial muscle of the trader is built into it. So what am I trying to let you know? Go and form your own trading strategy. Form it. Strategy, forex trading strategy that guarantee consistent winning is developed by the trader. You develop it. Please, if you're enjoying, subscribe, share, comment. I have a lot of experience, life experience about forex that you can't see anywhere online. I will share those things to you. I will tell you the lies in the industry. I will tell you how you can make money, how the brokers, how you can dictate if a broker manipulates or not. All these things will be coming in this channel as we progress. So the only thing is comment, share, subscribe so that I will have the energy to create more videos. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck in your journey into Forex trading.